And a good morning. It is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. This is a weather briefing storm scoop update. We'll call this one post-election weather. And I am meteorologist Steve Krzyzanowski, bringing it to you. So let's just get going, shall we? No political talk today. All right. As you guessed, we have Eta. And despite our deep layer steering trying to direct Eta westward into Nicaragua, it has taken a seemingly peculiar southward wobble. The southward wobble is likely due to channeling of northerly winds on the west side of Eta's center by the mountains of Nicaragua and Honduras. But hurricanes are just shifty objects to begin with, so we'll keep an eye on that. Eta will be wandering over Honduras for most of the rest of this week before it, or some portion of it, its remnants circulates and reemerges over the northwestern Caribbean. We've been talking about that for days now. During this time, up to 3 feet of rain is possible in parts of Honduras and Nicaragua. Hard to overstate that threat. I know I kind of just chuckled, but 3 feet of rain is 30 feet of snow. That's insane. So this is a very dangerous storm. You know, it may not be the biggest wind maker, but rain, geez. And you can see, it's now wants to take some other ideas into account here. So what happens after that? Eta will wander northeast in the general vicinity of Cuba and southern Florida by the weekend or early next week. And the storm's intensity at this point is really uncertain. So we'll have to keep that eye on it, right? No pun intended. So there's another model output of Zeta. It's unclear of what it becomes. There are many atmospheric pitfalls as it treks north, again towards Cuba and South Florida. Latest run on the Euro and the GFS have it in the same vicinity, but are unsure of the makeup. Likely a wet, windy mess, that's for sure. And one thing I wanted to kind of change up, as you've seen, I've been changing a few things lately just to kind of keep it on the up and up. This day in weather, 1935, the Yankee Hurricane, as it was called, a Category 2 storm, affected the Bahamas and South Florida. This storm remains the only tropical cyclone to hit Miami from the northeast in November. So we're kind of discussing a system right now that has had a wonky life and wonky future, perhaps. And looking at this, it's definitely not a typical hurricane track that you see here. So it's always good to look back and see where we've been and see how it can happen in the future. As a former history teacher talking as well. I am meteorologist Steve Krzyzanowski. We'll have more tomorrow. Have a great day.